Hello, and welcome to High Score Lab series. Today we're going to be talking about Drupal 8 content management system. We're going to learn how to set it up on our local development environment. So let's get started. Here I have a local Linux Apache setup with MySQL already installed. We're just going to go ahead and go to Drupal.org website, and we can download their tarball or the zip archive of the Drupal CMS. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, once it's done downloading, we're just going to go ahead and extract the archive here locally in the Linux environment. I'm using Debian here, so all the commands will be familiar to Ubuntu users in Debian. And then once it's done extracting, we'll just go ahead and move the contents into my predefined path that I have set up for Apache's host, so a virtual host for the default index environment. So let's see this. Alright, now that's done. There you see the files. We can go ahead and go to the local host and see what it loads. Okay, now we have the installer screen for Drupal 8. We're going to go ahead and install the Umami. Yep. We're going to go ahead and install the Umami magazine food article, which is the demo content. And we'll add extensions that it's given us error messages. That's a very simple command. You just got to do the sudo apt-get install and whatever the PHP extensions are listed in that list. I already have the database set up, so we'll plug in the configuration values and go ahead and save and continue. And it should lead us right into the installation wizard, the actual process of installing and loading the database with the demo site and also the files and modules. So we're going to go ahead and let this run. Alright, so now we're at the configuration page. It's letting us know that there's a couple language translation files that were skipped due to malformed HTML. Just disregard that warning. We can fix that in the next video. We're going to go ahead and plug in just some administration account credentials for us to log into the dashboard of the Drupal 8 CMS, and also our admin email address. We're going to go ahead and set up my locale for language and for time zone. And once that's done, I don't want to check for updates automatically on my development environment, but you could have that, or you might want that or need it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Once you scan that, hit save and continue, and it will go ahead and complete the setup of the translations after the site updates. And once that is finalized, we'll be dropped into the main, the home page of the Umami magazine with the login already logged into the CMS dashboard, and the widget is up top on the navigational heading. So we can check that out here in a second. Alright, here we are. So again, you still see there's a couple warnings regarding translation, but just disregard that. It's not a big deal. But we do have the congratulations, your Drupal is installed. So that's pretty much the process of getting it set up locally. This is the default content for the demo site. You don't have to choose it during the installation. You could just set it up without, but we chose to do it that way you have something to look at and play with in our next videos. Here at High Score Labs, we have many years experience working with the Drupal content management system, from version 5 to the current version 8, the stable version 8, and also into 9. We have the experience doing modules, extension modules, themes, custom API integrations with third-party systems, and also things like OAuth and single sign-on and search engine optimization and marketing. So please reach out to High Score Labs. You can leave a comment if you want, or watch our other videos, and thank you.